Welcome to Canada's Smart Mind. Today, you will learn one of the most important foundations of English grammar, the subject-verb-object structure. Let's begin your journey. SVO stands for subject, verb, object. The subject does the action. The verb is the action. The object receives the action. For example, she reads books. The SVO structure builds a strong foundation for communication. It helps learners from any language background. It makes your sentences clear and easy to understand, and it is essential for speaking, reading, writing, and listening. I love music. I is the subject. Love is the verb. Music is the object. They play soccer. Try creating your own sentences using this pattern. A subject is usually a noun or a pronoun. It tells us who or what performs the action. Examples include people, places, things, or ideas. Pronouns like I, you, and they are also common subjects. Verbs are action words. They show what the subject does. Some verbs need an object to complete their meaning. These are called transitive verbs. The object receives the action. It answers a question what or whom. For example, she reads books. Books is the object. Different languages use different word orders. English uses subject-verb-object. Understanding this difference helps you learn faster. Practice every day. Write simple sentences about your life. Use real situations. Repeat often to build memory. The verb shows the action. Ask yourself, what does the subject do? That is your verb. Every sentence needs a subject. It tells us who or what the sentence is about. The subject usually comes first. The object receives the action. Not every sentence needs one, but when it exists, it completes the meaning. Word order changes meaning completely. The dog bit the man is different from the man bit the dog. Order matters. Pause the video and try this exercise. Find the subject, the verb, and the object. Practice actively to improve faster. Look at pictures and describe them using SVO. This builds fast understanding. Avoid wrong word order. Always use subject, then verb, then object. Also, never forget the subject or the verb. Be careful not to confuse subject and object. Always ask, who does the action? That is your subject. You can combine subjects or objects. This helps you create more complex sentences while keeping the same structure. Add adjectives and adverbs to make your sentences richer and more expressive. You use SVO in emails, conversations, and daily communication. It works everywhere. Every sentence you build is progress. Keep practicing daily. Confidence grows step by step. SVO structure is your gateway to clear communication. Practice consistently and build your skills over time. You are on the right path. Thank you for learning with Canada's Smart Mind. Keep practicing and see you in the next lesson.